Caitlin Clark's emotional message to Kelsey Mitchell sparks support from Fever GM. As the start of the WNBA season inches closer, Caitlin Clark recently clarified what Kelsey Mitchell meant to Indianapolis. And her remarks propelled the Fever GM, Amber Cox, to present her reaction. Last year, the teenage All-Star and 2025 MVP finalist, Mitchell, led the Fever to a WNBA Commissioner's Cup even as a hospital team. Although the run ended in the playoffs, Clark knew what Kelsey Mitchell truly embodied. Kelsey embodies what the Indiana Fever are all about, Clark said in episode 2 of Fever All Access Training Camp. There's no better backcourt partner in the entire league than her. She's the fastest player in the league. She's the best cutter. She's a tremendous shooter. She defends 94 feet. It's not unlikely for Clark to rely heavily on Mitchell on court, given the 20.2 points on 45.6% shooting she averaged last year. But aside from making Clark's job easy, Mitchell is just a really good teammate and a great person. Moreover, her value could be measured by the way the Fever did not waste any time extending a one-year Supermax contract to Mitchell, amounting to $40 million. In fact, the 30-year-old was the first to sign with the Fever. Clark's excitement about playing with Mitchell highlighted the high regard she holds for the veteran. And it isn't just Clark who feels this way about Mitchell. The Indiana Fever, SGM and others on Kelsey Mitchell. In 2018, a 22-year-old Mitchell joined the Fever as a second overall WNBA draft pick. Although Fever's current GM, Amber Cox, wasn't the one to draft her, she couldn't help but repost Mitchell's tribute video with a red heart emoji on X. Moreover, Lexi Hull also agreed that Mitchell had put in so much time and effort into building this team into what it is today. Being with the franchise for her 9th season, it is the loyalty from her that means so much. Where both Hull and Clark agreed was that Mitchell exceeded the parameters of being just a good player. She's the senior the youngers need and the best human to look up to. Do you agree with their take? Comment it down. Caitlin Clark and the rest of the Indiana Fever have their sights set on a championship ring this fall. But, for another Fever guard, another type of ring is worth looking forward to before this year ends. Lexi Hull is set to tie the knot with her fiancé Will Matthiessen, and her good buddy Cece couldn't be more excited. When Hull went on Instagram Friday night to celebrate 6 years of being together with Matthiessen, supposedly her last dating anniversary, Clark dropped a comment that teased the Hull's wedding date. Lexi Hull and Caitlin Clark will be entering their 3rd season as teammates in Indiana. Ever since Clark joined the team in 2024, she and Hull have been good friends, despite the fact that arrival has somewhat cost Hull some minutes on the floor. That year, Hull told USA Today that she was excited to play with the Iowa Star, saying that she was really impressed with Clark's playmaking skills. When Sophie Cunningham was traded to the Fever last year, she joined Clark and Hull off the court to form a friendly clique. Hull and Cunningham became guest caddies for Clark when the two-time WNBA All-Star participated in the Annika Pro-Am, going so far as to needle Clark while she competed in this golf event. From the looks of it, Clark and Cunningham will be in attendance when Hull gets married to Matthiessen later this year. By that time, the Fever will have completed their season. Whether it's a deep playoff run for Indiana is anyone's guess at this point. Fever fans, though, will have to watch the finale of their favorite team's preseason without seeing Lexi Hull in action. On Friday, the Fever announced that Hull would be sitting out as she deals with hamstring issues. The Caitlin Clark vs. Angel Reese rivalry will reignite on June 4. The Indiana Fever host the Atlanta Dream at Gainbridge Fieldhouse for the first matchup between these two teams this season. This also marks the first time Clark will face Reese following the latter's blockbuster trade to the Dream during the WNBA offseason. On Friday, the Fever took to social media to announce their plan for the highly anticipated matchup. This is part of the team's theme nights for the 2026 season. The Fever will host Pride Night on June 4 as Reese and co. travel to Indianapolis to face Clark and the Fever. Pride Night has been a consistent theme for the Fever through the years. It celebrates the LGBTQ+ community and typically falls within Pride Month in June. Last season, the Fever held Pride Night on June 18 in a home matchup against the Washington Mystics. This year will be extra special, though. Clark and Reese will renew their personal rivalry on the court following their stint together as teammates for USA Basketball in the FIBA Women's World Cup qualifying tournament in March.